and girls. Today we are going to make a little snack. We're going to be using a banana. We're going to cut it in half. I've gotten some yogurt. You can get the plain or the strawberry flavored. And we're also going to use Fruity Pebbles. Give it some color for Valentine's Day. First, make sure you wash your hands. Put some gloves on if possible. We are going to cut the banana in half. Okay. You can use popsicle sticks if you don't have any. What I used is I'm going to use a plastic. You can use a plastic fork or a plastic knife. Okay, once you got it, we're going to dip it in yogurt. Then we're going to get some Fruity Pebbles. You're going to roll the banana dripped in yogurt, any flavor or plain. And that is it. Make sure then you will put it in the freezer for 2 hours. And it will be ready for you to have a snack. And that is it. I hope you enjoy it.